Have you heard about Discord? If not, this video is for you. Hejsan hej! I am PixelPia, and today I want to share with you my latest love story when it comes to the internet, and that is Discord. So let's start to take a look at what Discord is, and we start this on their own website. And I'm reading here from their website. Imagine a place where you can belong to a school club, a gaming group, a worldwide art community, where just you and a handful of friends can spend time together. A place that makes it easy to talk every day and hang out more often. So doesn't that sound interesting? Now I want to share with you an article from a website called businessinsider.com that really explained in a really good way what Discord is. At the basic level, Discord is built to allow members to message each other. Each community is called a server. Servers are filled with text channels where you can type to talk to other people, and voice channels where you can voice chat with others. You can also share videos, images, internet links, music, and more. Each server usually has multiple channels, each of which is dedicated to a different topic or has different rules. And for me, finding Discord took me back to the early days of internet, when the way we talked to each other was on discussion forums or IRC chat, internet relay chat. It was all text-based, and this made Discord feel so familiar. I have always thought that Discord was only for gamers. I now know better, thanks to two fantastic women here on YouTube. Shelley Saves the Day and Keely from Discord for Creators. And I will have links down in the description to both their channels. Both of them have opened my eyes for what Discord can be. And now I want to share that experience with you. Today we are going to start with the very basic. How you can set up an account on Discord for the first time. Here we are at discord.com, and as you can see, you can choose to download an app for Windows, or you can open Discord in your browser. I suggest that you use the app. You can also download Discord for your mobile device, both on iOS and Android. So the first thing we do is go to log in, and here you can see my initial account, but I will add an account today. So I click add account and then register. And now we need to put in some information, an email address, name, a password, and date of birth, and click continue. It asks us to confirm that we are human. Now they're sending me my verification email, and here we are in my new account. I have no servers, I have nothing. So there we have my account. As I said, it was very empty to start with. So now, how can I find some communities or server, as they say on Discord? Well, let me show you. Here I am doing a regular Google search. So I wrote BBQ for barbecue, Discord server. First top link that came up is to a place called Discord. So let's open that. And here it shows Discord servers barbecues. Discord servers tagged with BBQ. I can also do a search right from this website, and the website, by the way, is thisboard.com. I go to search, and let's say that I am interested in knitting. And here you see 34 servers it found that has to do with knitting. So that is one way of finding servers in the topic that interests you. You can also get invited to a server. This is the server for my podcast, A Swedish Fika. And if I go to my podcast website, I have an invite here on the first page. If I click on that, it takes me to Discord, and I can choose to join A Swedish Fika here. This is how my server, A Swedish Fika, looks. And as you can see, to the furthest left are other servers I have joined. Then we have a section about what the content of my server is. And to the right, we have a list of members of the actual server that you are on right now. There are much more to learn about Discord. Today, I just wanted to create some curiosity for Discord as a destination on the internet. In my next episode, I will talk more about how you can set up your account and what happens when you decide to join a server. Until next time. Hej då!